What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the Scat is not here. I dropped her off to get painted. Let me know down below what color y'all think I'm gonna do. Am I gonna keep it white or am I gonna go green? But in today's video, we are installing the wide body kit on the customer's car. As you can see, they already did the front. That's the easy part. And now I gotta do the rest of the rear. So with that being said, I may or may not wipe the car down before I work on it, because as you can see, she was sitting at the body shop for a little minute. But let's go ahead and first jack the car up, take these wheels off. This is the tool I'm gonna have to use to take my wheels off, because my mechanic has my impact gun at the current moment. So let's go ahead and take these wheels off.
Let that shit ride, 88.
So as you can see, rear bumper is off, tail lights, side skirts. I mean, you can call them rocket panels, but I call them side skirts. We're about to remove these doors, take the panels off them, because when we swap them on the other door, it's gonna need those panels. Then we're gonna swap the doors out, slap the back bumper on, cut this quarter panel, put the flare on, and slap the side skirts on, and pretty much good to go. I just need him to bring me the wide body wheels, and the wide body kit will be done. Of course, it starts raining when I'm about to cut. Let's go over the trunk with us. So here we are, setting up the tent. Make sure the job get done. It's about to rain, as y'all can see. It's raining. I'm gonna put the camera away because last time it got wet, it cost me $900. So with that being said, I'm gonna put the camera away. I'll pick y'all up when it stops raining. What's up, y'all? So we are back. As you can see, it's still raining just a little bit, so I got my cowboy hat on right now. But front bumper's on, oh well, rear bumper's on there, flares is on there, they ain't going nowhere. They ain't going nowhere. With that being said, they're on there. I just got to put these rocker panels on. And Wild Body Kid is pretty much done. He doesn't have the wheel welds. He would have to go and get them on his own. But for the meantime, I will drill a hole right here and make sure this doesn't go anywhere. But other than that, Wild Body Kid is done. Yo, so it is the next morning. As you can see, I got my hoodie on. It's getting cold, but the car is finished. We about to pick it up. I'll show y'all once we get there. So we are currently at the car. Check this thing out. Tayo! So don't mind the white trunk, don't mind the white door. I got this passenger door already F8 green. This trunk I'm gonna be wrapping black. The roof is gonna get wrapped black, and I'm gonna buy a black hood that's already black. So with that being said, she looking good. And then the mirrors and door handles I may wrap satin black, but sheesh. Shout out to my guys at VIP. If y'all need any paint work, come holler at them. This car looked like it was already F8 green. Paint looking crazy. PPF. Yo, VIP, y'all watching this? What did y'all do for my check engine light to go away? Did my car die? Usually my car die. This screen would be blue, but I don't know. My check engine light not on right now. Been a minute since I've been in this thing. Oh, like 3 days. I'm going to put the address to go back home. Anybody need paint work done? Holla at my guys. As you can see, VIP Auto Center, the best in the city. If you ask me, they're the best in the city with the best prices. You get something done, let them know I sent y'all. So as you can see, we are back. I am currently changing the passenger door. We already got the panel off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take these 4 bolts off, pull this door off, put the new one on there. The car would be basically green, except for the top. Door is on there. This is white. I don't have a green door handle, so I might just wrap these all black. At the current moment, we are taking the trunk apart so I can wrap the satin black. I don't have enough wrap to do the roof today, but I will be getting wrapped either by tomorrow or the day after that. But let's go ahead and take this trunk apart, wrap it black.
MJ.
The biggest smile. You gonna love me, bro.
Oh, just like that, trunk is done. What do you guys think? Y'all like the satin black look on the trunk, or y'all think it's kind of ugly? Me personally, I do prefer this being green and then leaving it satin black, but I don't really feel like taking it back to the paint shop, paint that. Last thing to do is the roof once I get the material, and then get me a new hood. But that's the car. As you can see, it's raining. Traction off. Y'all know what time it is. I ain't gonna lie, to be honest with y'all, sometimes I be itching to slide because it's been a minute. YouTube. So as you can see from the previous clips, it's been raining. It's like 2-3 days later. I'm actually on my way to pick up a new hood for the car. Today's weather is really not that bad as it was the past couple of days. So hopefully by today I will be able to finish the car. So with that being said, let's go ahead and pick up this hood and I'll pick you guys up once I get there. We are officially back. Just picked up the hood. I'll go ahead and start this roof wrap. All this water. So I gotta clean this off. Do this roof. Put the new hood on. It's basically good to go. Just wipe it down. About to set you guys up for a time lapse. Hood is off. Let's grab this new hood. I'm pretty sure y'all know what this is. This is probably by far my favorite hood. Put this on almost every car I've owned. But you know. Good red eye hood. Boom, so check this out, y'all. Red eye hood, satin black mirrors, satin black roof, with the trunk. She's basically officially ready for the next owner. So if anybody's interested, shoot me a DM. I'm about to head over to one of my spots where I take pictures at. Get a little bit of footage there. Wish I had a rag. Alright, YouTube, check it out. The new hood is finally on. Red eye hood. Finally got the roof wrap satin black. Let me know down below what you guys think. Was leaving the whole top satin black a good idea? Or was I better off getting painted green? That's gonna end the video right here. We'll catch you guys on the next video.